Being immortalized is the most exclusive club, and it's by invitation only. You can't buy a membership, you can't use political influence, you can't cheat your way into it. Everybody wants in. Presidents, kings, celebrities, political leaders create effigies and build monuments just to be immortalized. Dictators create a culture that's nothing short of idol worship. Children sing their praises every single day. All of this in an effort to be remembered. Think of what Muawiyah did. He tried every trick in the book, yet nothing remains of him in his own capital city. The only significant ancient structure that remains erect in Damascus is the shrine of Hussein's 3-year-old orphan. What this means is to become immortal, one has to pass crucial divine tests. To learn more on how we can gain access to the ultimate privilege, we explore the lives of a number of companions, ordinary people who became extraordinary, looking for clues as to what turned them into the invincible forces of nature that shaped history despite being persecuted and in many cases murdered. Individuals who carved their names in the annals of history as giants of devotion, faith, and sacrifice. Many are obscure to the average viewer, but that will be no more. These are their stories.